Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. till 2 p.m., hosted by our very own Megan Hunter. Baby Palooza 2012 gets underway, and I'm here with the lovely Cecilia. Now, you tell me what Baby Palooza is.
Okay, Baby Palooza is a free maternity and baby expo put on by Southeast Alabama Medical Center. Down this aisle, it's going to be all about men in labor. So you're going to have the mayor and all the different councilmen raising money for March of Dimes. So they're going to be here. They're going to have their pregnant bellies. They're going to be monitored and things like that. We also are going to be doing a lot of prizes. Right here we've got the daddy scrubs, and so we're saying it's not just for the women. So we've got lots of things that will get the dads involved, but we've got baby shower games. We've got the first 50 will get biscuits from Chick-fil-A. We've got the cutest kid contest. We've got things about childhood obesity, so we've got a children's area. We've got the car seat safety check. I mean, it's just a lot of stuff for new and expectant parents.
A lot to learn, a lot to do, and the cool part is from 10 until 2, and then it's over. So it's basically a half day, and you can learn a lot in a half day.
And it's free.
Well, you can't beat that.
Free.
Okay, 10 until 2 tomorrow.
Yes.
And it's Baby Palooza, and it's at the Dothan Civic Center, right?
Correct.
I got it. You ready to check weather?
Yes.
Okay, good luck over here and do some stuff.
Okay, thank you.
I guess she's not going to do it. I'll just go ahead and handle it. Then that's cool, Cecilia. All right.